I'm going to be doing another Boohoo haul for you that I mentioned in my last Boohoo haul. This one is definitely going to be more summer style than the last. Not saying that the last wasn't, but this one does have like a few more bikinis and things like that. So everything that I have bought is with all my own money and everything like that. But what I do is I buy it when there's sales and things like that. So I knew that I was wanting some more bikinis and sort of summery clothes, so this is what I went for. It's not like a huge haul, but it is still a few things here and there. I also apologise if my tan doesn't look very good. Me and my friend Hope last night decided it would be a good idea to try out a spray tanning gun that I got for Christmas, and I've never used it before, and it's kind of turned out a bit green, and then like near my armpit and stuff it's just a bit much there, but overall it's not too bad, but I do apologise if it looks really bad in this video. So let's get into it. Quickly before I get into it, this bodysuit, playsuit is actually from Boohoo as well, but it is from a really long time ago, so I don't know if they still have it. So the first items that I'm going to show you is this little pyjama set. It is just a navy blue satin, like cropped pyjama top and satin high-waisted pants with like a frilly bit around the bottom. Okay, so this is the pyjamas. They're cute in a way, but not my favouriteest pyjamas that I've ever owned. I kind of feel like it's really random how this top like sits out here, but I don't know if it's because my boobs are just like too big for it, because I feel like if it had a bit more room it'd look a bit like it'd sit a bit nicer, but because it's so tight across here on my chest and I can't do anything about that, it's not the straps, I kind of feel like it just sits like it's going off my boobs, if that makes sense. Besides that, it fits. It just feels weird on the top. I think I would definitely wear the pants more than the top, but it is still cute. I would still wear it as pyjamas. You can't really complain too much with pyjamas. It's just not my favourite fit with the top. I'm actually very confused with this because I didn't order it, and I don't think I ordered anything else with this stuff. I can't actually check because I can't remember which account I logged in on. So dumb, I know. But yeah, I definitely didn't order this because I don't wear mustard with my blonde hair. I just feel like it doesn't suit me at all. And it is a size 6 bodysuit. So it just wouldn't be long enough for me in a torso. I mean, we can try. Should we try? If not, I'm going to give it to a friend. There is no way it's going to fit my torso. It's too long. This isn't going to work. I'm putting these shorts on so that you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. I definitely did not order this, but I actually like the bodysuit, so maybe I'll go have a look in different colours. Like, I feel like the fit is still nice, and it is quite stretchy too, like it's not uncomfortable, and it is a size 6. So that's good. It's just my torso is too long. But no, it is still pretty. I just definitely wouldn't wear this colour. This is going to one of my friends. Okay, so if you saw in my last Boohoo haul, I was wearing a white version of this. And okay, the issue I had with the white one was that the white one was too see-through. The issue I'm having with this one is that this top is nowhere near as like stretchy or long. So the white ones came a bit down longer, so it was a bit more flattering. But this one isn't as flattering. I feel like they've just cut it funny. Like it kind of goes on an angle, if that makes sense. So I'm not having much luck with these two sets that I've ordered from them. Like, I love the style of it, but I probably wouldn't wear this black one now because of the top. I don't like the top fit at all. It's just wrong. It's not good. Okay, so I am going to go into the bathers now. I don't usually show people what bathers look on me, so we may see how it goes, but if not, then just assume that I like the Beavers or I don't. The first one that I have grabbed is this kind of burgundy one, and it's got these little strappy bits on the side, and there's no padding or anything. It is just these triangle cups with just a clasp at the back. I got the top in a size 8 and the bottoms in a size 10. So let's see. Okay, so I don't usually show my body on camera, so let's ignore it because I don't actually work out at all and it's not really toned or anything. So ignore that. I really like the top. Like, I feel like the top is so pretty and it fits really nicely and all that. Like, really comfy. I could definitely go to a water park or something in it and I wouldn't fall out, even though it kind of looks like they will, but they won't. Like, they're secure. My issue is the bottoms. So they're like tight, but they're baggy. Well, they're not even tight. It's just because I'm not toned or anything here, it kind of just goes into where my skin and fat is, if that makes sense. But this bit here is like a bit big. The next one I'm going to show you is a bodysuit. I don't usually wear bodysuits, so we'll see how this goes. We'll see. We'll try it on. Okay, so this is the bodysuit. I actually really like it. I don't know when I'll ever get to wear it. Maybe I'll wear it to family things. I don't know. But I think it would look quite nice with some shorts or even like a sarong or something to go to the beach. So I do actually quite like this. I think it is quite nice and it covers like my belly, which I have an issue with. So I feel like it makes me more comfortable in that way. But then the butt is like too tight. So I can't win. But it's not terrible, but it still just makes me feel like a bit self-conscious because of it's like sticking out. Yeah. I really need to work. I really need to stop being sick and do gym work. So this next one I got because of the colour, because I feel like it is so pretty and when you're tanned it will make you look super tanned. I also like this top because it's just a bandeau and I feel like these are perfect for tanning in. So yeah, I do really like this and I do a lot of tanning in my backyard in summer because I have some lounge chairs, so it's nice to just be able to wear just like a bandeau sort of top just to throw on, and yeah, it's just easy. The top fits okay. It's not like amazing. It could be a little bit like bigger here so that it covers me just a little bit more because I feel like it would fall down. But luckily I did buy it just for tanning reasons. The pants are too big and it kind of makes it look like I'm wearing a nappy. So I'm not like the biggest fan of the back, but I do really like the colour. So I feel like if I leave these just for my tanning bathers, then I feel like that'll be fine. But I probably wouldn't really wear them out in public. I'm not sure. I don't think. Okay, so this last set that I have ordered from Boohoo, it isn't summery theme, but I've always had my eye on stuff like this. So I'm going to put that on so I can get out of my Beavers. Okay, so this is the black two-piece set that I've got. I feel like a lot of people would have already seen styles similar to this. So it is like long flared pants and the tight top with the knot at the front. I've always loved this style. I've just never actually bought it because I don't really wear many pants. I'm more of a skirts kind of girl. But I love the way that these look on everybody. I'm puffed. It's hot in here. This is why I was doing a summer haul, not a winter one with long sleeves. Oh my god. So this is, are you right, honey? So yeah, this is what it looks like. It fits so nice. Like, there is no issue with that at all. I feel like if I was to wear this out for like dinner or birthday drinks or to like just drinks of any kind, I would be so comfy. I wouldn't wear it in summer because I'm hot, like right now, but like everything just fits so nice. Like on the bum, it just like falls so nicely. They're not short at all. So if you're 5'7" like me with long legs, then these will fit you perfectly. They fit me perfectly. I'm a happy girl. So that is the end of this Boohoo summer try on haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see any more like this, then please let me know. And I will see you guys later. Bye.